Our bones are working constantly, much like a busy construction site, breaking down old material and building new. To keep this process strong and ensure your bones stay dense and resilient, especially as you navigate the years between 40 and 80, proper nutrition is absolutely essential. It provides the crucial building blocks that prevent bones from becoming brittle and helps ward off conditions like osteoporosis. Let's explore how you can feed your bones wisely, step by step. Step 1. Prioritize calcium, the main building block. Calcium is the most important mineral for strong bones. Think of it as the concrete that gives your bones their structure. As you get older, your body needs a bit more calcium to make up for natural bone loss. Aim for about 1,200 milligrams of calcium daily. You can find it in dairy powerhouses like milk, yogurt, and cheese. Choose low-fat options if you're managing weight or heart health. If you do not consume dairy, look for calcium-fortified plant-based milks, cereals, and orange juice. Dark, leafy green vegetables like kale, spinach, and broccoli also provide good amounts. Fish with soft bones, such as canned sardines and salmon, are surprisingly rich sources. If you find it difficult to meet your calcium needs through food alone, discuss a calcium supplement with your doctor. They can advise on the right type and dosage for you. Step 2. Do not forget vitamin D, calcium's essential partner. Think of vitamin D as the key that unlocks calcium so your body can actually use it to build bones. Without enough vitamin D, even if you consume plenty of calcium, your bones will not benefit fully. Aim for 800 to 1,000 international units of vitamin D daily. Your skin produces vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, but factors like age, skin tone, time of year, and sun protection can limit how much you produce. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna are good dietary sources. Many milks, cereals, and some orange juices are fortified with vitamin D. Supplements are often necessary, especially if you have limited sun exposure or certain health conditions. Always talk to your doctor about the best dosage based on your needs and blood levels. Step 3. Include other bone-supporting nutrients. While calcium and vitamin D are the stars, other nutrients play important supporting roles in bone health. Magnesium helps regulate calcium and vitamin D levels and can be found in nuts, seeds, and whole grains, leafy greens, and dark chocolate. Vitamin K is important for bone protein formation and is found in leafy greens, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. Potassium helps prevent calcium loss from bones and is found in fruits like bananas and oranges, vegetables such as potatoes and sweet potatoes, and beans. Protein is essential for the bone matrix, so include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, and nuts in your diet. Step 4. Hydrate smartly and limit bone-damaging habits. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, as water is essential for all bodily functions, including nutrient transport to bones. Limit excessive alcohol, as too much can interfere with calcium absorption and vitamin D activation, weakening bones over time. Reduce caffeine intake, as very high caffeine might slightly increase calcium loss, so enjoy in moderation. Avoid smoking, as it is extremely detrimental to bone health, accelerating bone loss and hindering repair. Quitting is one of the most impactful steps you can take for your bones. Step 5. Consult your doctor or a dietitian. Your nutritional needs can change with age and depend on your overall health. Talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized advice. They can assess your diet, recommend specific foods or supplements, and ensure your bone-focused nutrition plan works well with any existing health conditions or medications. Regular bone density screenings like DEXA scans are important, especially if you have risk factors for osteoporosis. Your healthcare provider can then guide your nutritional and lifestyle strategies based on your bone health status. By following these steps, you are making a powerful investment in your bone health, helping to ensure you maintain strength, independence, and an active lifestyle well into your golden years.